push that one on and let's see how it comes and turns out. So pretty. I want to show you. Hang on, let me get the paint off of my fingers so I can show you a close-up of mine. And you can do, isn't that the coolest? You can do whatever colors you want. I think that's awesome. Well, I would love to see what your beautiful paintings look like, so you make sure that you have your grown-up take a picture of it and post it on Facebook, okay? Okay, it is time for us to say goodbye. So Ollie is getting up. And Ollie, what is one of your favorite activities to do?